Our viewer tweeted, "Why do my burps smell so rancid? Ugh. Is this a sign of something serious?" 15 seconds on the clock. Ready? Go.
So it can be. There are things like gastroesophageal reflux disease that can cause these rancid burps. Usually if it's occasional, it's from high sulfur foods you eat, can turn into hydrogen sulfide gases. That's that rotten egg smell. Eggs, broccoli, other foods like that high in sulfur. Did I run out of time? Someone's supposed to tell me.
Yeah,
I can't keep my eye on the clock. You want me to answer the question? Look at the clock. Like
You know what?
That wasn't really fair.
I think you got in just under the wire.
You did it.
I feel like I don't think I did.
I mean, Dr. Batra kind of did it a little better, but you did it. So.
You got extra credit.